Welcome to Apollo University and Knox Exchange. Today we are going to set up an account on Knox. First, navigate to www.knoxglobal.com. To register, type your email address into the field and press Register. This will bring you to the account creation screen. Now we need to choose a password. Passwords should have one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, one special character, and be a minimum of 9 characters total. From here, we need to re-enter the password again. Next, a referral code. You can leave this blank, or if you have a friend or YouTube influencer with a referral code, enter this here. Alternatively, you can enter the one on the screen. Now we need to acknowledge we agree to the terms and conditions. These can be found at the bottom of the page. To agree, check the tick box. Now tick the CAPTCHA to acknowledge you are not a robot. And finally, click Create Account. An email will appear in your inbox. Beware, this can take up to 10 minutes depending on server traffic. Check your spam folder also if you do not receive this email. When you get the email, click on the link provided and sign in with your email and password. Once you've signed in, you are now in the Knox. Welcome. If you are not brought into the settings menu automatically, navigate to this settings menu by clicking on the top right hand profile icon and select Settings. Next, we are going to enable two-factor authentication. You have two choices here, and you can enable both if you like. It will ask you which one you want to use as 2FA is called for. First option is Google 2FA. To enable this, click the Enable button next to Google Authenticator. You will be presented with a QR code. You can use Google Authenticator to scan this and add this code to the app. You need to save both the QR code and the key to an offline device or print it. This is so you can back it up should your 2FA device get wiped, broken, stolen, etc. Once backed up, check the tick box to acknowledge you have done this. Enter the timed key from the app into the highlighted field and hit Submit. Google 2FA is now enabled. To enable email two-factor authenticator, press Enable on this option. An email will be sent with a short code. When you receive this, enter this code and click Submit. Email 2FA is now enabled also. If you click on the My Team Area View button, you will be taken to your referral page where you can find your referral link. The last part of the link is your code if you were to have someone enter this manually. You will see a list of your bonuses under the team area. You can see in this example, line 1 is the sign up bonus. Line 2 is the first level referral. As people sign up using your link or code, they will show up in this list. They need to complete KYC for the referral amount to be available to you. Now we are going to complete KYC. This is not compulsory, but it is recommended. From the settings menu, click the Submit button next to Verify Account. Now to fill in the KYC requirements. Your first name, your last name, gender, your date of birth, your mobile number, city or town you reside in, your country, and your postal code. Next, your identity document. You can choose passport, national identity, or license. Enter the document number in the required field. We also need to upload a clear picture of this document. File sizes must not be larger than 1 megabyte. Click on the Upload File and select your file. If you need to add more documents, you can do so by clicking the Add Document button. Next, your selfie. You need to upload a photo of yourself while holding the ID document. You also need to be holding a piece of paper with the words Knox Global and today's date. Ensure your face and the ID document are all clearly visible. When uploaded, you are ready to submit. Hit the Submit button. Then confirm with the Submit button again. Well done, your KYC has been sent and will be approved as soon as possible. This concludes our tutorial on setting up your login and details. Our first deposit to the exchange. First, navigate to www.knoxglobal.com. From here, we need to log in. If you have not registered yet, please see our previous video tutorial on setting up your account. Click the Login button on the top right of this page. Now enter your login details. Click the Capture button and log in. If 2FA is enabled, you will need to input your timed 2FA key here. Now that we are inside Knox, navigate to Wallets, then Deposit. You are now in the deposit screen. You will see the default deposit address is BTC Bitcoin. To send Bitcoin to this exchange, you need to send to the address displayed here. Simply copy the address using the Copy Address button and paste into where you are sending the Bitcoin from on your end. Let's change the address to show APL Apollo. Click on the drop down and select APL from the list. You can see the deposit details are a little different here. We have an APL deposit address and an APL memo ID. Both are equally as important. From your Apollo Wallet Create Transaction screen, paste in the deposit address and the amount you are sending to the exchange. Make sure you do not use private transaction here. Check the Add a Message button. Paste in your APL memo ID here. Uncheck Encrypt Message. This is important. Enter the required fee. Fees can be found on our Apollo Wiki, www.apollowiki.com. And lastly, enter your secret phrase and 2FA if enabled. Then hit Send. If you scroll down on this page, you will see your deposit history. Coins will be available for trading after the given network confirmations. This concludes our tutorial on deposits.